Hello everyone, my name is Amelia.
I'm Eliza.
And my name is Alice. And I'm Violet.
And you're watching Dope Christian TV. If you are new here, welcome to our channel. We really appreciate you.
You're watching our new segment called TeaTalk,
where we talk about hot topics with hot tea. In today's video, we're going to be talking about sin for entertainment.
If you're already here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, for real, y'all. It's Lexi.
It's Brittany.
It's Jada.
And it's Jordan.
And you're watching Dope Christian TV.
This is our new segment called TeaTalk, airing every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time.
So sit back and enjoy the show.
Pull up to the party like what up though.
Okay, so before we get into this video, just chill, okay? Just chill, because it's a hot topic. That's what it's called Tea Talk for, because we're talking about hot topics with hot tea. So there will be sipping of the tea. The first question is, should Christians watch Power? Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna say no. It looks like it's a unanimous no. I personally have watched Power season 1, 2, and 3 in the past, and as a Christian, I just really felt convicted. Like, sis, you shouldn't be watching this, because they pretty much saying every sin in the Bible is in Power. Every sin. And so the question overall arching here is, are you being entertained by sin? And I said yes, I was being entertained by sin. That's not okay. What about you?
I personally have not seen it, but from what I hear, it doesn't sound like I would want to go to bed after that, after watching it. So I said no, because first of all, I ain't never seen it. Yeah. Second of all, I just heard about it, and when I heard, it doesn't sound like I would.
When I hear about the show, you just hear about the sins.
Yeah. Pretty much.
And that's like the highlight of the show.
I hear that the storyline is good, but most of the time when I hear it's about killing, stealing, that's all I really hear about.
Adultery, fornication, murder.
That's why I had to give up Empire.
Right.
Yeah.
Everything against the
Bible. Yeah,
Bible.
pretty much. It's like, if I don't believe that doing any of these things are okay, why am I going to sit and support a show that is saying, it's basically promoting this stuff? Like, and people be like, it's just a show. But number one, as Christians, you have to guard your heart above all else, for it determines the course of your life. Right. That stuff gets in your spirit, you know what I'm saying, and will influence how you think about those certain topics. And then you might find yourself doing those things because, you know, it's promoted and it's in your spirit, and spirits are released through TV shows and media.
I feel like too, if you don't want your kids watching it, then you probably shouldn't be watching it either.
Honestly,
it's trash.
It really
don't
is.
Watch trash. Did we say that in the
we did say that. We did say that.
Clearly y'all ain't watching.
It's just really not.
But we're like not coming from people that watch it, but it's something you should, you know,
think about. We're not saying you ain't
because
gotta watch
we all,
it.
you know, have partaken shows such.
I clearly just said I watched season 1, 2, and 3.
Me and Jada was watching it.
It was hard to get rid of it, because it was some juicy stuff in there. You don't even realize it. You start like thinking that way or acting that way. It's because of what you're watching,
right? And your thoughts.
Right.
It's like, that's why I had to stop watching it, because it was so juicy. I'm not gonna lie, the storyline it's on point. Like, it really draws you in. It's like addicting kind of. But I had to stop and say, okay. First of all, fornication, I'm not trying to do that. I don't need to be watching that. Okay, you catch my drift. And they literally show, like, pretty much show it.
And you know, images stay in your head.
They do. They're burned in your mind.
It don't matter if you married or not.
It doesn't.
Honestly.
So sis, if you watch that, guess what you gonna be thinking about after you done watching?
You gonna hit up an old hoe because.
Oh, right. Sips again.
Right.
He said the tea was hot. This is some good tea.
It's hot. So final answer on that for us, it's a no for me, dog.
Definitely a no.
Definitely a no.
while I'm tapped out, I'm gonna just stay tapped out. I ain't gonna watch it.
Pretty much. I'm okay.
There's better things to do.
You just gotta be careful with following the hypes, because people really hype stuff up, and then after I start watching, I'm like, I'm not even missing nothing.
Exactly.
Like,
and then if you really want to know what's going on in the show, they have stuff like
right, you can read about it.
Right.
So it's okay. I ain't going to hell for y'all.
I'm wrong.
Not saying you're gonna go to hell for watching it, but
I mean, you can also let us know in the comments what you
right.
think.
Let us
right.
know what you think down below.
Right.
Yes, no, or IDK. I just want to conclude with the scripture.
Right, we gotta get y'all some scripture.
gotta do that.
Gotta do
Would
that.
Up Christian TV would.
Right.
Right, because we're not just talking out our butt today.
Right.
It's Luke 11:34 NLT version.
Eddie.
And it says, your eye is like a lamp that provides light for your body. When your eye is healthy, your whole body is filled with light. But when it is unhealthy, your body is filled with darkness. Make sure that the light you think you have is not actually darkness. So your eye is a lamp that provides light for your whole body. When it's healthy, you're filled with light. When it's not, you're filled with darkness. Be careful. I just want to say that we're not perfect.
We're not clearly.
Clearly,
Struggle.
We stated a lot this video.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
God.
yes. And we want to encourage everybody to just take a look at the things that you're allowing in your life. And the question we posed were, are you being entertained by sin? And I too have to look at some things like, Thank you guys so much for watching the first episode of TeaTalk, where we talk about hot topics with hot tea. Make sure you leave a comment down below and let us know what you think.
If you like this video and you like hearing us talk, I mean, my voice can be annoying sometimes, I know, as well as the other ones that can be
Actually,
annoying.
no.
Yes, but if you like us, go ahead and click that subscribe button right below and hit the notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time we upload, which will now be Tuesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern and Fridays at noon Eastern time. So Tuesdays and Fridays are our new upload days.
Don't forget to share this video with your friends.
Bye.
It's late work when I go to, so everything lit, ay, everything lit, ay, everything lit.